Okay, so now we're going to do dynamic for the children who've done dynamic. I'll be letting you know which children have had static and which have had dynamic. The ones that have had static, they may need a reminder on dynamic first, or practice on static first, and then go back to dynamic after that, just to make sure that they're clear on the order, because working backwards is very counterintuitive as well for children, considering we're constantly telling them left to right, left to right, left to right, and then all of a sudden we're telling them right to left. So it can be quite confusing. So for dynamic, we're going to be exchanging, and it's really fun, and it means that they can make up their own numbers. So what number would you like, Avery?
Can it be a really high number?
In the thousands.
Yeah.
But
Don't be like
I'll
don't be like 1,003,000.
No, we're only doing thousands. But the thousands we want to keep under 5. So say 4 or less. In fact, honestly, just do 1 or 2,000. Always recommend 1 or 2,000, and then the rest they can do as high up to 9 as they like.
Can I do 3,000?
So 1 or 2,000, Avery? 2,000.
400.
Right, so 400.
50.
5 tens.
Yeah. And 8 units.
Okay. So 2,000s, 400s, 5 tens, and 8 units, plus 1 or 2,000s.
1,000.
1,000, and then a high number in the hundreds.
9.
9 hundreds.
So many numbers to choose from. How about 7?
7 tens, and how many units? 6 units. Okay.
We haven't used 6 out of our whole paper yet.
That's true. So 2,000s, say it with me, 2,000s, 400s, 5 tens, and 8 units, plus 1,900s, 7 tens, and 6 units. Okay? So we start at the units, and you'll see why we start at the units in this particular lesson. So how many units are you getting first?
8.
Okay, can you get 8 units out? And how many tens?
5.
5 tens. How many
4.
hundreds? How many thousands?
2.
How many units are we going back to here?
6.
Okay. Okay. How many tens?
7. 7.
Okay. And then how many hundreds? How many hundreds?
4. 9. Sorry.
How many? 8. Ooh, one more.
I was that close. I was so close.
And then how many thousands?
1.
Okay.
Now we scoochy.
You know, these are
them
almost
up.
together, so scooch up from, we always start from units just to be in the habit. Okay, so let's count the units. 1 unit. Oh, remember, separate them slightly. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, 10 units. Stop. Okay, so we're going to tell them to stop, and we're going to exchange the 10 units for 1 10. And we're going to put the 10 next to the hold on, Avery. Next to the tens over here, so we know that we've taken it out, but we're not adding it there yet. We're going to get rid of, watch this, Avery. We're going to get rid of all these tens first. Now we know we've exchanged it, we can bring it down and add it to the bottom. So what is our number left? How many units do we have left, Avery?
4 units.
Can you count them? 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. Okay, can you write that number down?
And make sure the child writes it.
Okay, how many tens? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. Stop at 10 tens.
Yep.
You're exchanging it for
Exchange it for
100. the side. Okay, now you can remove, yep, just like that. Okay, and then how many 10s do you have left? 1 10, 2, 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. Okay, you can bring your 100 down. Let's count your hundreds. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s, 1000s. Stop. Make sure they're separate. Don't take them out yet. How many? What are we exchanging 10 hundreds for?
1,000.
Because 10 hundreds make 1,000. Okay,
Yes.
now you can remove those.
Wee. Plop.
Okay, and then you're going to bring your 100 down here.
1,000.
Oh, sorry, 1,000. Thank you, Avery.
1,000,
2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Oh, we've got to write our number down for the hundreds. 400s, 4,000. Okay, so let's say the whole equation again. 2,000, 400s, 5 10s, 8 units plus 1,900, 7 10s, and 6 units equals 4,000, 400s, 3 10s, and 4 units. So it's preferable that they do 2 to 4 of these math equations if you can motivate them to. And I will also send math facts so that they can do math fact sheets as well. And that will do us for the math this morning. We hope you have a wonderful, productive day. All right, you can say bye, Avery.